There are 6 responsibilities that product operations mainly have. The first one is going to be product lifecycle governance. You want to make sure that you establish what is the process, the operations that a product development lifecycle has to go through. How do you do discovery? How do you do prioritization? How do you do planning? How do you do execution? How do you do delivery? The second one is going to be tooling and tech stack management. There's going to be certain tools that you have to use for product operations. The goal for you is to bring these tools, help them integrate into your workflows, and make sure that you are able to create templates that can customize the tools to your needs. The third responsibility is going to be data and insights. You want to make sure that data and insights from your product performance, from the ways that your operations are working, anything that you think that is relevant data to visualize is available and visible for everybody. But being able to make sure that KPIs or OKRs that you're using in your team are visible to all the team members is going to be key for them to understand if they are reaching their goals or they aren't. The fourth responsibility is going to be the voice of the customer integration. I don't want to say just voice of the customer because, since that everybody owns that, but you want to make sure that the voice of the customer can be seen and can be heard by everybody. The fifth one is going to be go-to-market and internal enablement. One of the things that I see missing in most of the product operation teams is that they don't look at how to work with other teams. But you want to make sure that you're able then to work with marketing, with sales, support, solution engineers, services, or whichever teams you work with, so you are able to take their needs and understand how you are going to be able to align with those teams. And the sixth responsibility of product operations teams is to bring continuous learning. You want to make sure that first of all, you are doing continuous learning on your operations, that you are continuously evolving and customizing it more to the needs that you have in your company. Because you cannot build a perfect feature from the beginning and not in the end. There's never a perfect system. So you want to make sure that you are building that system over time.